Hello, my friends. How are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself, Ajay, and I hope you all are doing great. So, guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful cosmetic e-commerce template, fully responsive and totally free. So, guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say, please watch the video till the end, and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So, friends, here we go. So, let's see the beautiful beauty cosmetic e-commerce template. See the proper template look. See the beautiful. In angle 20 as well. Is a video we will add. See friends. Beautiful. And it is in angular 20. Let me show you. See friends. 20.0.0 latest version. And also the fully responsive. You can see that. Work for all the devices, guys. Great. Fancy. And now I will let you know all the proper sections. See the top section, the logo, see the menus, mega menu, just brilliant, and mini cart. See guys, beautiful advanced search, beautiful top section slider as well. See guys, how the content came as well, just beautiful. Popular products, see the hover effect, also the quick view section as well. See friends, quick view section, just brilliant. Values, beautiful. Here we will add the promotion video as well. Or deal for today section, testimonials section, cosmetic blog section, the blog post, the subscribe form section, and the Instagram section as well, and the footer. So guys, this is beautiful template and friends, it's in Angular 20. So guys, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my beautiful blog, therichpost.com. Here's contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also full-time freelancer, you can hire me on hourly basis as well. And guys, also on my blog, you'll get multiple free of cost things like for Angular, for React.js, Vue.js, Laravel, WordPress, Boostify, and thousands of admin dashboard templates, all of free of cost. Guys, back to cosmetic template, and for this, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. Friends, after it, I will come with more free things. And guys, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.